It is also a very satisfying puzzle, since when you put the last piece inside, it kind of disappears in the surface. This is not a jigsaw puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin and made by Recent Toys. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you have to remove all parts from the frame. When all the parts are out, you can try to put them back inside, but there is a twist. Like, there are parts that look exactly the same, like these two. They have 5 parts, but they have a little bit different cutouts. So where you can put this piece, you won't be able to put this piece. But we are lucky, since both of these parts, they come together and you put them like that. Then you grab this piece and put it right here. And this one will be the next in this top row. The next piece will be this large flipped L-shaped piece, and you put it here. And now we put these two parts that look very similar again, like this one and this one. They all have 5 parts, but they have different cutouts. So this goes right here in this top right corner, and then this goes in here. Then we continue, for example, to these parts on the bottom, this piece. And then you put another which is very similar. It goes right here. Then this part, it goes here. And it is a little bit confusing that all the parts look very similar. This piece goes here. The next one, which will be the next one? I guess this one will be right in here. Yeah, this goes here definitely. Then we have to put this large piece right here, I guess. Yeah, it goes right in here. And then we grab this piece, put it right here. This part will go next to it, right in here. And this one, it will fit probably right here. Yeah, it looks like it is the correct spot for this piece. Then this part, oh, I thought it goes here, but no, it looks like there is no spot for it. Okay, let's try another one. This goes in here. This piece will fit here. We have only 3 parts left, and I guess I'm almost done. Yeah, and this piece will fit here, and that is how you solve the Not A Jigsaw puzzle. If you like Not A Jigsaw puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles.